Why should we preserve fish? Fish preservation is essential to ensure the availability and quality of fish products. Here are some reasons why fish preservation is important. The first one is food security. Fish is a vital source of protein for many people around the world. Proper preservation of fish helps to ensure a steady supply of fish throughout the year, which is critical for food security. The second one is economic importance. Fish is an important commodity for the fishing industry and the global economy. Proper preservation of fish helps to maintain the quality and value of the product, which can lead to increased profits for fishermen and fish processors. The third one is health benefits. Fish is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and other important nutrients that are beneficial for human health. Proper preservation of fish helps to maintain the nutritional value of the product, ensuring that people can enjoy the health benefits of consuming fish. The fourth one is reducing waste. Proper preservation of fish can help to reduce waste by extending the shelf life of the product. This can help to reduce the number of fish that is discarded due to spoilage or quality issues. The fifth one is sustainability. Overfishing is a significant problem in many areas, and proper fish preservation can help to reduce the need for overfishing by ensuring that the fish that are caught are used efficiently and effectively. These are some of the reasons why we must preserve fish.